It is time once again for the Law and You, answering your legal questions for free. You gotta love that, right? Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli do it every night here on Eyewitness News. Good to see you guys.
Nice more snow, right, Dave? More snow?
No. I'm sure we're going to see plenty more before the winter is up.
Winter.
Yeah,
I love it.
We've seen a lot of storms, and the stormy situation for a family in one part of our area. Ellie in Hazleton says, my son has a daughter with his girlfriend, and she won't let us see the child. What can we do here? So what can Ellie do about the grandchild?
So what you're talking about grandparents, rights. And in Pennsylvania, you do have grandparents' rights. They are very specific, and it is a little bit complex, considering the situation. Each individual situation is different. And ultimately, the courts are going to look to see what's in the best interest of the child in terms of any visitation. This is something that you do have rights, but in order to protect them, you are going to have to go into the court system. You are going to have to hire a family law attorney in order to enforce those rights.
Yeah, and same thing with the son, it sounds like, too, because, I mean, obviously his rights supersede anybody's rights. So the son would have direct rights to see the child. The grandparents, I agree, it's a little more complicated, but, I think that you could get one attorney to represent you and your son to try to facilitate some sort of arrangement, because I think the courts at the end of the day are going to say what's in the best interest of the child, which would be to see the father definitely, and the grandparents, assuming there's no issues with the grandparents. Courts may or may not. They would like to have that family cohesiveness, but
really do.
At the end of the day, the parents' rights always triumph.
All right, easy enough. Those that need some help, though, with these situations and they need to talk it out, you can get them a referral for a family.
Absolutely. Yeah, we have a good group of people. Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. We can hook you up with some really good family lawyers who really specialize and do this on a daily basis, and that's what you need. And
some of them, are actually have an additional certification for family law that we commonly refer to. So.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Gentlemen, thanks. Catch you next time.
Thanks, Dave.
PAHomepage.com and the Law to You hotline are there for you.